Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow profile privacy changes in Game Center on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Now we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on Content Restrictions. Next, enter your screen time passcode. And on the next screen, we go down to the Game Center section and tap on Profile Privacy Changes. And from here, you could choose Allow or Don't Allow. Select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to your settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.